Tom's TV Media on a beautiful Friday morning. We're on our way to Philinvest 10 for the Hyundai Truck and Bus Mobility Evolution in partnership with Cars Plus Coffee South. So this is an event that they're going to raffle a truck, utility truck. Solid, diba? And so much giveaway. And this event will also be hosted by, of course, there's a mini concert of Mr. Arnel Pineda of Journey. So this is a very exciting event. I recommend watch till the end because this is a very exciting episode. Alright? So, yun. Please like and subscribe this channel so we can create more videos like this and we could attend events like this. Alright? So thank you very much. Have a great day. Have a blessed weekend. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Alright, we're here. This is the Philinvest tent. Right.
Together we carry the weight of our business, built on trust with our clients. A trust that drives success. The market keeps changing and we must adapt. That's the power of the Evolution Roadmap. It's not just a plan, it's a call to innovate, excel.
Yes, I am that guy, and happy to join you in celebrating the 2025 Hari HRI Dealer Conference, and thank you for having me here today. And for my next number, yeah.
Technology and power, and cutting-edge commercial vehicle models to be mighty proud of. We've had photos with County Electric and and Mighty Electric. Let's move over to the other. Alright, can we have you on stage now? Okay, round of applause.
This means reduce our footprint and noise pollution, and of course, long-term operational sustainability. It will be an option for moving to and around any of the cities. This is not just another electric vehicle. It is a game changer in the public and fleet transportation, combining advanced technology, exceptional range, and of course, Hyundai's trusted reliability. Now, what makes an electric, a County Electric, stand out? First, the Hyundai County Electric is a fully offline breeze. While the 2 5-volt charging ports makes 4-to-8 charging, it also provides faster vehicle charging from 8% to 90% in just 72 minutes. They reduce their carbon footprints while offering smoother, more comfortable ride. Thank you very much. Now on to the Hyundai Mighty Electric. We're proud to introduce the all-new Hyundai Mighty Electric. A light duty electric truck built to meet the growing demand for sustainable and efficient logistics. As business transition to clean energy solutions and reduces overall carbon, because it does not have a different engine, it operates more quietly, making it a great choice for urban areas where cutting down on noise and air pollution is a growing priority. With up to 206
and versatility is the Hyundai Harrier. It's a light-duty truck built to handle tough traffic. This truck is not just about its performance. It's designed to offer practicality for businesses with optimized cargo space and city configuration. Now, let's go on to the first example of that application for Harrier. We have the aluminum bar prototype for logistic and service delivery for Harrier. For travel and taxi, aluminum bar, shuttle service, and service application. But in fact, it depends on what the customer needs and can be customized based on the businesses or operations that are needed. Certainly, a smart investment for your
Please. Grabe, wasn't it a power reveal? And I don't know, the outstanding individuals and teams who have steadfastly kept the business going despite the challenges of 2024. And with that, may we please request
Mr. Jonathan E. Garsan of HPB at the back. We receive the award again, Mr. William, Ms. Gabba Chan, and Ms. Evelyn Latin, to Grand Roots Chief. Congratulations to all the winners.
Guys, Mr. Byron. Alright guys, you just witnessed one of the mobility evolution. Alright guys, this is Miss Fe. We are witnessing Miss Riza interviewing Miss Fe Agudo. She's the CEO and President of HARI. Alright guys, let's check it out. Lahat ng i-offer ng Hyundai. So this is the HARI Cab HD Shuttle. Hi ma'am, how are you? Late. Okay, so we're here inside. So let's check it out. Lahat ng mga pwedeng offer ng Hyundai, from VIP, they call it the Artista van. Diba? Yes. Luxury vans by Sorel. Let's check it out. Oh guys, this is the Artista van type. And as we can see, it's a full. It has the kitchen, of course there's a toilet. This is perfect for those celebrities or not so celebrity, but you want to have a comfortable biyahe. So this is the car that Hyundai offers. Diba? Solid. So this is the driver, and this is the an additional seat, and of course there's a. I think this can be convertible into bed. Very nice. Very. So you just check it out. So check out Zorel. Yan, Princey, they're the ones who's dito. So check out their pricing. Alright. Oh guys, become legendary. Bibili tayo nito. Bibili tayo nito pag na. Solid yung loob. Kulang na lang. Guys, sa lahat ng calling card na nakuha ko, ito yung pinaka-solid, oh. Kaya tigas, oh. Parang top card. Top card ba to? Guys, this is a top card. Free lang. Galing, oh. Shout out to Mr. Prince C. Ikaw ba yun, sir? Ay, hindi ba? Wala ba dito si Sir Prince? O, ito Sir Prince. Wala. Oh, ano yun? Oh, these are the guys from Zorel, right? Zorel, okay. Luxury vans. So, kung gusto nyo, katulad ni Become Legendary, nagpa-planong bumili nito kasi
Sasalpak ko yung 69 na tao dyan.
okay, sabangan nyo yan, ha? Okay, top card, solid. Okay, let's check it out. Ito naman yung outside. I'm going to show you the outside. So this is pretty much, this is how it looks like from the outside. Galing, diba? So this is a Hyundai. Built by Sorel. So it also opens the back door. I don't know kung nabubuksan pa rin to, pero it looks like it's still open. Nabubuksan siya. Tapos of course, ito yung gilid. Diba? Right? Guys, Joms TV Media, I'm with Sir Bradley of Sorel. And he's...
Ayun, so guys, invite ko po kayo na mag-follow back sa aming Facebook page na si Luxury Van na Sorel Luxury.
Guys, check it out. Sobrang solid nung gawa nila. If you're looking for a comfortable van na parang ganito, no? So check it out, Zorel Luxury Van. Sir, thank you very much. Solid. And of course, the rest of the team of Zorel. Sir, ano pangalan?
Jeffrey.
Sir Jeffrey.
Richard.
Sir Richard.
Jay.
Sir Jay. Okay. Hey, sir. Thank you very much. Guys from Zorel. Oh, sige, sir. Saan kayo pwede mo follow? May YouTube din. TikTok meron din. Alright. Sir, thank you very much sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Kailangan, guys, Sir Eugene. Solid. Alright, this is the Solati 15 passenger plus driver. So, shout out sa Toyota Camry Elite dito sa event mobility. Tapos this is the utility van. So if you're looking for a van na pang pasahero, so this is pretty much the van na pwede nyong gamitin for family and friends. Tapos it's like a minibus. Solid. Tapos of course the aircons are centralized. Tapos dito nyo pwede ilagay luggage and you also have extra storage here at the back. Grabe, it's a 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 15 seating capacity. Plus of course the driver. So of course definitely there's all the safety features and all. 3 seating capacity in the front. And it runs on a 6-speed manual transmission. Alright. Tsaka ano rin for the seniors kasi may extra step para safe, hindi nyo ma-miss yung step. So let's check out the front. So this is the front. Ayan. Tapos high ceiling, high roof, high ceiling, whatever you call it. Sobrang solid. Tapos may centralizer yung aircon doon. Sobra. Very nice. So if you're looking for a van na gusto nyong gamitin for the family, and of course for business, this is the van for you. It's Solati by Hyundai. Uy, that's Sir Paul!
Like winnings.
Right, congratulations, sir. Good to see you, sir. Good to see you, Sir Paul. Always. So Eugene, guys, Slick Auto Works. Okay. Sir! Kaya ito yung mga idol ko. Mga idol ko to, sobra. These are my heroes. Sobra. Yan na. So, lagi-lagi kami magkakasama. Amo nila, pero boss ko lahat dyan. Oh guys, with Toyota Camry Elite, Sir Paul and Sir Eugene of Sleek Auto Works. Okay, this is the County New Breeze. Hi ma'am, how are you? So this is pretty much a parang coaster. If I'm allowed to say that, this is the country. The County New Breeze is a 29 seating. It's available in 29 seating capacity and 32. So it's a fixed seat, meaning hindi siya nare-recline. So parang ganun din yung nakita natin kanina doon. Pero ito, ayan, sorry. So ito medyo mas mahaba kasi this is a 29 seating capacity. Alright. So ayan, of course we have friends from different. So para siyang minibus, it's perfect for your negosyo and for out of town. Galing, very nice. Congratulations to Hyundai Truck and Bus. Alright guys, of course, the legend, Mr. Mike Potenciano is in the house. It's in the building with Jones TV Media, with Mike Potenciano. Finally. And, nakita ko na rin ulit si Sir Mike.
Yes, and now we are very fortunate to see the first electric Hyundai. Kaya punta kayo lahat.
Guys, Sir Mike, any shows na may po-promote ba tayo? Sige.
We'll have our 5 shows, actually
Okay.
30 minutes each. Pinoy X3 will announce it. Stay tuned sa FB page natin, Mike Potenciano.
Alright, thank you very much. Sir Mike, thank you. It's good to seeing you. Thank you. Hi ma'am. Okay, si ma'am represents the HD78 GT MC Carrier Hauler. Mouthful yun ah. So ito naman, mostly pang negosyo naman. So this one, it looks like it carries a motorcycle. Pwede rin mga gulong, mags, pwede nyo rin ano. Tapos double decker sa. Tapos it comes in a hydraulic, it looks like a hydraulic platform. So ito pwede nyo magamit for your negosyo, kargahan nyo ng motor, or I believe pwede rin kotse. Doon sa may mga auto detailing, auto restoration. Solid, diba? So it's a full-size truck na pwede nyo magamit on your business. Let's check out the inside. Solid. Grabe. Galing. Okay, so this is the modern PUV Class 4. This is the HD50 SGT. So this is pretty much a modern PUV. So dun sa mga gustong magkaroon ng franchise for PUV, so this is a good modern PUV. It's a 22 seating capacity plus the driver. So here are the details: 160 PSI, 3000 RPM, 40 kgm. Ayan. So ito, pwede nyo magamit sa inyong negosyo. Kung meron kayong mga servicing or fleet or mga empleyado, or for school service, I believe school service, or well, this is pretty much designed for pasahero, for public utility vehicles. This is a public utility vehicles actually. Tapos it's already ready for tap beep card. Para wala nang mga conductor or ano na lang. Oh, well, may mga conductor pero ayun, I believe that's a camera for the rear view. Very nice. At saka of course, equipped with seat belt na rin siya. Alright. So ito pretty much, ito yata yung PUV selection nila. So may mga ano na rin, ano ba to? may wrap na rin. Ayan, pretty much. Oh, tama. Ito nga. This is the Class 3 modern PUV. It's a 20-seating capacity for all those gustong negosyo ng pangpasahero or sasakyan ng mga trabahador nyo in your factory. This will be the perfect van or the perfect vehicles for you. Alright, ladies, how are you? Alright. Excuse me, I'm good. Okay, so ito pretty much these are the three types of PUV that Hyundai's offer. So yun yung product code nila, it's the HD50S GT. Alright, it's class 2, class 2, class 3, saka class 4. Alright. So if you have plans of, putting up your own business, putting up your own PUV franchise, this will be the perfect van or perfect vehicle for you. Alright. Okay, for the school bus naman, so they also cater for the students. So this is the Haricab school service. Is a 26 passenger. Same, it's a 160 PS and 3,000 RPM. So, tara, pasok tayo. Tara, back to school tayo. Back to school bus. Okay. O, yan. So, ito yung school bus nila. Solid. Air-conditioned. And of course, ayan, perfect sa mga bata. Sa university and colleges and high school. May nagka-college po. May nagsa-service po sa college. Yan. Very comfortable. Tapos dito, pwede yata ilagay yung mga gamit. Of course, the driver is there. Tapos meron pang, yung pwedeng front seat for the guardians. Tapos dito yung mga gamit ng mga bata. Very nice. It's already ready. All you gotta do is purchase, go to your nearest Hyundai dealership. Nice. Solid, oh. Tapos you could already buy this already like this. Let's check out the inside. Oh, di ba? Bango. Guys, amoy bago. You never get solid. Iba talaga yung amoy ng bagong sasakyan. Take two. Guys from Alveo. All right, I have with
Joseph, sir.
Sir Joseph and Ma'am Jamie. All right, from Alveo, and they have something important to tell us. Yes, sir. What is this?
Resident, Alveo is Ayala brand. Ayala,
Yes, sir.
Ayala, and we sell residential lots. We also have condominium in Metro Manila.
Okay.
Then we have in North Pampanga.
Oh,
We have a lot of property all over the Philippines.
all over the Philippines. Okay. They have also commercial spaces and of course residential. So just check it out. They have in Arca, they have in BGC, they have pretty much Ayala is everywhere in the Philippines, right? It's one of the trusted and beautiful property management in the country. Tama? Oh, best I agree. Okay. Okay. So yun. So look for Mr. Joseph Vince. This is his contact info, and of course kay Ma'am din. This is Ma'am Jamie Guevara. Alright. So yun, thank you very much. Alright. So yun, with Joms TV Media here at Mobility Evolution. Alright. Guys, may nakita tayong fellow media natin, si Kuya Chris. Solid, nandito siya sa Mobility Evolution. He's also part of the media. Kamusta?
Okay naman po.
Ayan o, media. Enjoy?
Pa lang po yung mga kotse ngayon kasi medyo maaga po po. It's 2:55 going to 3 o'clock in the
Afternoon. Enjoy ka ba? Marami ka ba nakikitang magandang sasakyan? Pati ba models? Okay. O, follow niyo yung Facebook niya. Christopher.
Pero may TikTok po ako na pwede niyo pong i-follow. Carros po. Carros.
O yan, lalagay natin. Ayan, yan. Check nyo. Sir, thank you very much. Enjoy. Alright, bye. Alright, this is naman the electric side of Hyundai. So, as you can see, we have the Mighty Electric, yung kaninang pinakita. So, this is the electric bus at the moment. Okay, so this is pretty much the inside. So, I would assume, ito, pag umaandar, well guys, this is currently running because the aircon, ayan o, umaandar siya. Because it's electric, you could run it. Walang carbon, it minimize the carbon footprint. Kaysa luwag. Because walang engine, so wala dito. Wala rin doon. So pretty much, puro batteries to. Pero guys, holy doon. Alamig oh. Tapos you can turn on the lights, of course. Galing! Very nice, very nice. So this will be the road for vehicles. It's all going electric. Ayan guys, so may aircon. It's currently running. Tapos yung digital gauges nyo, ganda. Tapos of course there's a mic check. So this is pretty much for tourist setup, tourist bus. For, you know, you wanna go around, meron kayong tourist tour or tour company or whatever you call it. Yan. Tapos tignan nyo yung drive, neutral, reverse lang. So the question is, walang park? Saan yung park? Anyway, so we're not here to pero this is electronic. Electric start, tapos they have all the features, yung stereo, yung of course the air conditioning. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Galing, galing. Solid. Very nice. Good job, Hyundai. Galing. Very nice. So this is the electric side. This is the electric vehicles area. Tama, ma'am? I'm with Miss Ina. Hi, how are you? Looking great. Okay, this is a 22 plus 1 seating capacity. So, well, all the safety features are here. It's also smart key. It's also pretty much electric. So, kung kailangan nyo ng pampasahero, if you're going out of town, you're looking for electric vehicles, this is the vehicle for you. So ito pa pala. So ito yung mga details niya. This is a 128 kilowatt per hour. That's a maximum 150, maximum torque of 40. Plus, it has a CCS Type 1 charger. I think this is a universal charger na, pero I'm not sure. Pero yan, it can go single charge at 303 kilometer. Single charge. Solid, no? Grabe. Yes, I'm with Miss Ina. She's the currently the model for this what do you call it? For this model. Okay, so sabi niya sa akin, the price is
13 million.
Ay, 13 million guys.
For this investment.
For this investment. Pero this is perfect for any business like tours or school or bus or whatever.
Very sustainable. You don't have to think about gas anymore. And low carbon emission.
Correct. Very nice.
Good for you, good for the earth.
For the environment,
Diba?
no? Very nice. Oh, saan na pwede ma-follow, ma'am?
Instagram, Ina Valdez.
Ina Valdez. All right. Miss Ina Valdez with Drums TV Media here at Mobility Evolution Hyundai Trucks and Bus. Ma'am, thank you very much. Have a great day.
You
Bye.
too. Bye.
Alright guys, punta naman tayo dito sa mga booth. Of course, nandito tayo sa booth ng Master Garage. Pag may Master Garage, may Auto Sleep Works. Shoutout sa Master Garage. Hello sir. Ito yung mga products nila guys. So, check it out. Tapos may mga t-shirt din sila. Okay. Tapos ayan, of course, US Lube. Solid. Tapos Nippon Paint. Hi ma'am. Guys, kung gusto nyo magpapintura ng kotse, Nippon lang. Shoutout kay Boss Omar. Wala si Boss Omar. Ayan. Japan's number 1 paint. Diba? Shout out sa Nippon Paint. Thank you. Of course, Auto Aid Philippines is also here. If you wanna check it out. If you wanna check their multi-purpose lubricant spray, so ito yun. Guys, nagamit ko na to. Even their windshield cleaner, sobrang solid nito. Pati yung silicone spray nila. They also have long life coolant, electronic contact cleaner, of course brake cleaner. Sobrang solid. Right? Auto Aid. Okay, so this is the Motolite pang matagalan booth. Solid, oh. Oh guys, ito yung battery natin. Yun, oh, yung Excel ang battery natin. Solid. And these are the guys from Motolite Battery. Hello po sa inyo. Good afternoon. Here at Mobility Endurance. This is the booth. Check out Oriental and Motolite Marketing Corporation. Alright, I'm with Sir Gomez. Sir.
Edward po.
Sir. Sir. Okay, saan kayo pwede ma-follow?
You can register for our Motolite Rescue app, or you can visit our website www.motolite.com.
Okay. Sir, any Facebook? Yan na yun. Okay, so follow Motolite. Sir, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Ang Kingsway, also Kingsway.
Oh, yun.
Please follow us.
Sabi ko, Kingsway.
Yes.
So follow nyo yun, Kingsway. Alright. Sir, maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you. Stars. Arthalan. Hi, ma'am. I'm with Miss
Cez Ramos of Arthalan.
and ma'am.
Gina Viray of Artalan.
Sir.
Kenneth from Artalan.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Richmond from Artalan.
Okay. So, what do we have in Arthalan?
Okay, so we are a developer. Okay. So our difference compared with other developers is that 100% of our portfolio, meaning all of our projects, are into sustainability and green development.
Wow, that's nice. So, which is perfect to live in.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Where are your sites?
Okay, so we have a project in Binyan, Laguna. It's Small Sabina Park. It's a mixed-use development, 8.1 hectare. So we are just right across the La Salle Binyan Camp in the Bicol Academy.
Okay. So guys, check it out. Check their website.
Actually, we have just visit Arthalan.org. So also you can check our Facebook page, Arthalan, and just look for our name. This is Richmond Dora. I'm Cez Ramos, Gina Viray, and Kenneth Manalansa.
Alright, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Ladies and gentlemen of Arthalan. Alright, with Joms TV Media. Negotiation ganito. BLF. Slow form, of course. So of course they have Fumo tires.
Oh, train na.
Ay, ayan, kompleto na. Kompleto na yung the usual suspect. Here at Tiara Fumo Tires booth. Alright, here at the Bendix booth. So if you're looking for lubricants, if you're looking for performance brakes, clutch fluid, this is the brand for you. Right? Hello, sir. Hi, ma'am. Guys, curious ako. Nakita namin to. Sir, ano po to?
nakakalimit na pa-release na para tanggalin lang itong nausa.
Okay. So, paano to, sir? Hinahalo lang?
Sir Davidson.
Hi, sir. How are you? Sir, eto po. This is, paano po ito ina-apply?
Ano, ito sir, ito, para sa mga units sir na Euro 4 pataas eh.
Okay.
Normally ang tawag doon sir sa mga SCR type units.
Alright.
So hindi siya kasi yung tipong parang ihalo mo sa engine. Hindi, not applicable lang siya sir after lumabas yung usok doon sa exhaust. So, pag-essence siya is
Ayan, sir.
ito sir kasi para sa mga SCR type unit.
Okay.
Marami nagtatanong sir kung halimbawa inihahalo ba siya sa fuel.
Okay.
Hindi po, meron po siyang sariling tank. No, so hindi lahat na mga diesel engines are applicable po ito.
Okay.
So ano ang trabaho niyo sir? Ito yung isa kasi sa causer ng pollution sa environment sir, yung nitrogen oxide. So ito yung ini-eliminate niya sir, yung pagkalat or paglabas ng nitrogen oxide sa environment. So once na na-sense ng NOx sensor dun sa unit na marami na yung naiipon na NOx, mag-spray po sir yung may sprayer siya dun sir, mag-spray po ng AdBlue.
Okay.
Ngayon yung AdBlue naman sir, papasok siya sa SCR, nandun yung mga other catalyst sir. Mag-perform siya ulit into natural form, nitrogen and water vapor. Para paglabas niya sir ng
exhaust
or ng exhaust, malinis na siya sir. Hindi na siya highly pollutant na
correct.
Sa natural form na siya.
So ito sir, kailangan pa ba ng aparato for this one?
Hindi na sir. Basta sir ang yung unit sir, makikita nyo naman sir, may sarili siyang tangke. Na normally ang cup niya sir, kulay blue. May sir, mga Euro 4. Applicable normally sir sa mga diesel engines na.
Euro 4 compliant.
Euro 4 compliant na pataas sir.
So which is like yung, brands like Montero, Gentry.
Depende sir, kasi normally sir, mga European cars eh.
European cars, okay.
Volkswagen, BMW,
Mercedes-Benz. Alright. Okay. Ay, oo nga. Yeah. Meron nga pala yung extra.
Sa mga Asian cars, alam ko, may mga lumalabas na like Hyundai, Hyundai Starex meron na eh.
Okay.
Tapos sa mga sir, normally sa mga yung mga mas malalaking engines sir, like yung mga bus and truck.
Oo, tama.
So yan, meron na yan sir. Alam ko yung ibang unit ng Hyundai, meron na sila. SCR type eh. Basta sir, ang dyan, yung mga SCR types ng mga kasi may mga Euro 4 compliant kasi sir na iba, ang gamit nila mga filters.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, to know more about this product, just go to Bendix. Sir, saan pwede ito ma-follow?
Meron tayo sa website, sir, yung sa
Novax.
Yes, sir, under Novax.
Novax, ito, may sariling
Yes,
so check it out, tapos distributed by Bendix?
By All Inclusive, sir.
Okay. Ayun. Sir, thank you very much.
Sir.
Okay, thank you. Alright guys, I'm here at EdgeTech. Okay, I'm with Miss Claire and sir.
Yeah.
So, anong meron dito sir? I believe this is a charging booth. Na for EV. Alright. So this can be installed sa bahay.
For residential.
Tapos for commercial.
Yeah, for commercial. But garden.
Okay. Guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng So pag bumili kayo ng okay. So kung naghahanap kayo, if you bought an EV, hindi nyo na problema yung charging. Eto, check out their page, EdgeTech.
Ito. Facebook, Instagram, meron din po kaming Lazada.
And Instagram. Ay, Instagram. Tama? LinkedIn. Solid. Congratulations. Sobrang solid. Miss Claire and Mr. Dominic Ang. Ito ba yun, sir? Okay, just check them out. Alright. Ma'am, thank you. Sir, thank you. Guys, EdgeTech. If you're looking for charging, portable ba to or you can install? Ayan, ito to. Guys, tignan natin. Ito yung actual unit.
22 kilowatts.
Ito ma'am, ilang watts to? 22 kilowatt. So, it could charge a car? So, pwede to yung mga car na hybrid. Plug-in hybrid.
Ganti ko din po. Nasa harapan pala yung 740.
Yun, nandun sa truck. Okay. Okay, solid oh. Dito na tayo papunta ngayon. Electric. Sir, thank you very much. Ma'am, thank you. Have a great day. Oh guys, check it out. EdgeTech.
Tawag po kayo dito. Sino po dito yung leader po ng JSW po? Si Chairman po, hindi Chairman. O Chairman ito po. After today po, baka yung buong fleet pa ng JSW magiging handicap na ba? Opo, bisa-bisa, galing mo yan sir ha? Kaya bisa to support po naman ng JSW. Malaki na, thumbs up! Saan na handicap? Congratulations, JSW Transport Cooperative ng Cavite. Enjoy your ceremony sa ating opening ng Mobility and Revolution Forum. Please stay around for mabuhay ang Hyundai Tracker na Tapuso.
Congrats, man!
Sun's up, it's snooze, but I'm still dreaming about you. Stretching out in my bed, got these.
This episode is brought to you by Coolman Essentials.